guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island where we're stuck with you and we are always smiling. Move from the soundtrack I gotta go. Copyright me, isn't it? Yeah, so we're there, so up here, dancehall vibes are going. You can smell the seafood. Just to give you guys a quick 411, it's Tuesday at the Terrace, which is a Seafood Tuesday, so you don't know. There's a lot of stuff. I'm gonna show you guys the menu, I'll show you guys what we're gonna get and stuff. And I'm here with my girl, you guys know, Judah, looking cold and everything. Hey! So as you guys can realize, there are quite a few people here. I would say maybe about like 20 people, 25 people. It's a very small spot, so you can tell the seafood here is like a really big thing. Most kids that I know are doing seafood nowadays and seem to do pretty well. I hope that this seafood here tastes good. Still can't wink to save her life. She's been going to practice in the bush.
That never bad, that never bad. Oh god.
That was a good, that was a good.
That never bad.
Yeah.
So can I also instead of the fish?
Oysters is a natural aphrodisiac, you know what I mean?
One egg baby.
She lame, but trust me, 100%.
Stressing me out.
Garlic crab. Yeah, so we're there, so that's order up the food right now. Judah most of the orders because it's in
Festival and
how the oysters are pretty regular.
they get sauce. The sweet sauce and the
On the front, oh the family, the little family them.
just me in a liquid today.
Is that big family today?
Yeah.
She has big family today. Festival. Yeah, can't get us festival.
This one?
Yeah, so we'll get fried shrimp instead, huh?
Fried shrimp you want instead?
Yeah, right. Yes, fried shrimp. I am sure, yeah.
Or you want chicken shrimp?
No, I said fried shrimp. Yeah, so we'll try to do the fried shrimp for the first time. Most times here the shrimp is normally curry anyway, so kind of want to try the fried shrimp. I don't even know what it looks like, but me, I'm not a picky eater. I'll eat almost anything that is food. Yo, them straw are big, you know, one suck in the water done, sir. It's trying to be. Trying to, brother.
Where's the drink?
Huh? No, what you want to get to drink?
Can I get an Amarita Soul? Pardon me? An Amarita Soul? Amarita what? Amarita Soul. Throw that one. Alex will make it for me.
Yeah. So she gets in an Amarita show. I don't know what I get. To be fair, I might get a Malta. Guys, our waitress is cute. The second one. Yo, so I'm already kind of not happy because they don't have lobster. So yeah. So we might just try to get like a different, like 2 different kind of shrimp or whatever the case is and see how that goes. But yeah. But I kind of don't mind because I've been having lobster like brother, like so often I have a lobster. So yeah. So guys, we have to, what? Guys, I do the cards, you know. Supposed to be there from 8 o'clock. You know what time it is now? The time is now 10 o'clock. So, huh? No, I don't want the Heineken. I want the mango mojito. So, yeah. Alright, if you guys might be wondering, quick change of scenery. We're heading to Ribby's. We're actually in that whole building right now. I was gonna leave my camera, but it's actually enough space there, and I think I can still record. So I will take you guys with us on this. You know, I always take you guys wherever I'm going. Yeah, so quick FYI, most restaurants in Kingston close up by like 10 p.m. in the night, especially in the weekdays. Ribbies is one of the only ones that have the restaurants open until 2 a.m. right? Straight through the week to 3 a.m. Easy me so. Up to 3 a.m. on Friday and Saturday. 4? Mad. So anytime I did in Kingston and I get hungry, I know I want to beat some juice. Yeah, good food there so. So the food just far as you can see, yo, I got my typical order for Ribbies. Every time I'm here I order the same thing, which is the double smoked pork chop with mashed potatoes. And Duda got, what you got? Seafood pasta. What's in it? Just shrimp, lobster? Wow, so she got shrimp, lobster and conch, so I guess she's having some form of seafood while I'm having pork, you see me? Super creamy. She only gave me the noodles and the sauce, and it's super creamy, super cheesy. Wow. The pork is definitely double smoked. Like you can taste the smoke in it. Nice texture to it and everything. The mashed potatoes is properly herbed, like it's full of flavor. I haven't had the coleslaw yet, but when I do, I'll tell you. It's good too. So here used to be Judah's place, like come here a lot with our friends. Usually when I come here it always used to be like very crowded, but now it's not so much because they have another location down by Bottom Road. So what do you think? Is that a good thing? I think it's a good thing that it's two locations.
So it's like off the pressure. It's like off the pressure of everybody being at this one location. So there's a balance.
Yeah, so that I think is a good balance, because normally when you come here, like you can't get seats. You can't, like if you want to eat, it's like nah, it will be like full of people. But now it's a good balance, and I believe like on the weekend it's gonna be more crowded. It's a Tuesday before Valentine's. Valentine's is a Thursday, so whatever day this is, yeah. Yo, no one knows, so I drink one beer, I feel nice.
More like
So now finally Judah have enough wine in her glass, so she don't have to throw water on it like last time. Over there at Portland, yeah. Do you think, baby? Do you think?
no pics tonight, please. No pics.
So we out here playing pool. Am I turn?
Yeah.
Alright. We out here playing pool. Yeah. Who was gonna win? I missed the 8 ball just now. Judah was like, I can't watch this. Yo, I can tell you this, Judah hates losing. The first thing she said, she was like, I chose you to play this game because I think you can't play it.
I said I think I have a better chance of winning.
You score?
No?
Alright. It's not over yet till the fat lady sings.
Bartender.
You won. Everybody jump into it.
I'm gonna have to block you now.
My song is, you know. Oh man, I wanna bake. Oh man, I wanna bake. So we're playing a little paintball game and we can't make them see each other phone. So this is where I am. So I'm waiting for her.
I don't think I can see that.
We lose? Wow. Wow. Okay.
You can play pool again.
Alright, so that tonight went completely different than we planned, but still was a good night. Yeah, the food was good, but we'll definitely go back to next terrace some other time to film it, to try out the seafood Tuesday's thing. To be quite frank, like and for me seafood is seafood, but I just want to go there for like the experience actually, and let you guys see how it is. And yeah, but anyway guys, I'm gonna catch you guys on the next video if I do decide to vlog, because I did tell you guys I'm not gonna be vlogging so much. But anyway, these things: love, nature, adaptation. Always remember, keep the link.